welcome to day 1 of the 6-day workout plan. Today we are going to be going over arms and abs, and the equipment that you will need today is a timer and 2 dumbbell weights within the range of 5 to 15 pounds. Today I will be using 7.5 pounds for our video for today. So now we're going to get into the warm-up, and for today's warm-up we are going to start with some jumping jacks. And the proper way to do a jumping jack is to jump and have your arms touch each other, your hands touch each other as you go up, and your legs to spread apart, and then when you go down, to go like that, be straight. So I'll back up, and you're going to do 15 of those for your warm-up. 1, 2, 3, and continue on to 15. Next part of the warm-up, you're going to need a timer. So grab your timer and you're going to do arm circles for 30 seconds forward. So just do that for 30 seconds. And then after you do that for 30 seconds, you're going to repeat the jumping jacks, another 15 jumping jacks. And then you're going to do arm circles backwards for another 30 seconds. And that's your warm-up. Our first circuit of the warm-up. And what you're going to need for this circuit is a timer and one of your dumbbells. Actually, you need both, but for this first move, you only need one. So first we're going to do Russian twist. So you're going to sit down on the ground with your knees up, just like how I am right now. You're going to grab your weight and your timer. You're going to hold your weight, and you're going to go from hip to hip for 30 seconds. You're going to want to follow the weight as you do that. And for more of a challenge, you want to elevate your feet. So you're going to do that for 30 seconds. Okay, so for the second move of the circuit, you're going to grab your dumbbells and stand up, and we're going to do overhead press. So you want to put your elbows at a 90-degree angle, and you want to extend your arms up and down. And for this part of the circuit, you want to repeat that move for 12 repetitions. Okay, so do that 12 times. Move 3 for the circuit, and what you're going to do is get down on the ground again, and you're going to lay on your back with your legs elevated like so, like that. And then you're going to want to put your arms behind your neck and support your neck, and we're going to be doing bicycle crunches. Now make sure your shoulders are off the ground to get a proper workout. And then you're going to go with one elbow to the alternating knee. So I'll demonstrate. And you're also going to need your timer for this, because you're going to do this for 30 seconds. So opposite knee to opposite elbow. I'm going to do this for 30 seconds. And once you finish that for 30 seconds, you're going to do your Russian twist again for another 30 seconds. Stand up, do your overhead press another 12 times, and then do your bicycle crunch for another 30 seconds. And that's the end of the first circuit. So now we're entering into circuit number 2. So what you're going to need is one dumbbell for this first move, and we're going to do tricep raises. So you're going to stand with feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent. You're going to grab your weight, put it behind you, elbows tucked in, and you're going to extend your arms up and work your triceps. And you're going to repeat that for 12 repetitions. Okay, so now we're at move number 2 for this circuit. And what you're going to do is in and outs. So you're going to say like how you would for a Russian twist. And you're going to put your arms down at your side and bring your knees in forward, and then extend your legs and your chest out. Bring them both in, bring them out. So you're going to want to do that for 30 seconds. So this is the final move for this circuit. And what you're going to be doing is bicep curls. And we're going to do 12 of these. And what you're going to do is bring your arms in down. So up, turn, down. So this is our third one, up, turn, down. And you're gonna repeat that for 12 repetitions, and then you're gonna do your tricep raises for 12 repetitions, your in and outs for 30 seconds again, and then the bicep curls for another 12 repetitions, and that would be the end of the first start. Next part of our workout, you're gonna need your timer because we're gonna do a 1-minute plank. And so you're gonna wanna get on your forearms and put your knees up, and what you're not gonna wanna do, here I'll show on the video, is go like this. That is not a good plank. You're gonna wanna go like this, okay? Tuck in your glutes, and you wanna keep a straight line, and you're gonna do that for 1 minute. I'll demonstrate one last time. So, just like this. For this next move, you are going to need your timer and one of your dumbbells. So you're gonna lay on your back like you would for a bicycle crunch, and you wanna keep your shoulders up, just like a bicycle crunch. And you're gonna hold this weight above you like that. Put your legs up and just sway them back and forth. Bring them forward and extend them. And you're going to be doing that for 1 minute. And remember to keep your shoulders up. So do this for 1 minute. And then you're gonna do your plank again for another minute. So we are now at the cool down for this warm up. So we're gonna be stretching our abs since that's what we worked a lot today. So you're gonna lay down on your stomach, put your arms by your armpits, and you're gonna wanna do a cobra. So extend up, stretch your abs and your back. And you wanna hold this pose for 20 to 30 seconds. For this next move for our warm up, we are going to be doing cat and cow. So you're gonna get on all fours. So get on your hands and knees, and you're gonna arch your back. I'll show the side view. So you're gonna arch your back, and then you're gonna arch it this way. You wanna go slowly because you don't wanna injure yourself. So go like this, and like that. Holding each pose for about 5 seconds. And you wanna do this for about 45 seconds altogether. Okay, for this next part of our cool down, you are going to raise your arm, your right arm, put it across, and hold it with your left arm and stretch. We're gonna be stretching our arms since we worked those a lot today. And then after you hold that for 15 seconds, you're gonna do the same to the other side. So left arm across your chest, right arm supporting it. And after you did that for 15 seconds, you're gonna stretch your triceps. So you wanna put it backwards behind your neck like this, grab your left hand, and it's gonna grab your right elbow and stretch it for 15 to 20 seconds. And then you're gonna wanna repeat the same thing on the other side. And hold that for 15 to 20 seconds. For our last and final move for our warm-up, we're gonna stand feet shoulder width apart, arms by our sides, knees slightly bent. We're gonna interlock our fingers behind our back, and we're gonna stretch forward. Don't go too far where you feel pain, but enough where you feel tension. So for some of us, it could be right here or right here, and for others, it could be all the way down here or even more. Okay, and you're gonna hold that for 30 seconds, so make sure you have your timer handy.